Bangladesh has jaw-dropping places and nobody knows it. Everyone thinks they know South Asia. The mountains, the monuments, the mega cities. But what if I told you that one of the region's best-kept secrets has been hiding in plain sight this whole time? Welcome to Bangladesh, a country that's so much more than what you see in the headlines. This is a land of rivers, a nation pulsating with color, history, and a warmth that genuinely pulls you in. While most travelers can list off the famous spots in neighboring countries, Bangladesh remains one of the world's least visited destinations. And you know what that means? Real, unfiltered adventure is still possible here. Its most incredible treasures, from ancient cities swallowed by time to ecosystems found nowhere else on Earth, are almost completely overlooked. Today, we're sharing 10 unbelievable places that you won't find in most travel guides. We're going way off the beaten path to show you a side of South Asia you probably never knew existed. So, get your curiosity ready and prepare to discover a country that is as authentic as it is awe-inspiring. Our journey kicks off not with a natural wonder, but with a massive leap back in time. We're starting at number 10 with Mahasthangarh, one of the earliest urban ruins discovered in Bangladesh. Seriously, forget what you think you know about ancient history in this region. This isn't just a pile of old stones. These are the bones of a massive fortified city whose story stretches back to at least the 3rd century BCE. Once called Pundranagara, this was the powerful capital of the Pundra kingdom, a hub of culture and power for centuries. Walking here, you're literally tracing the footsteps of emperors from the Mauryan, Gupta, and Pala dynasties. The scale is just immense. You can still see the massive rampart walls that once protected palaces, temples, and entire neighborhoods. There are ruins of ancient Buddhist monasteries and the legendary Jyatya Kunda, a well believed to hold mystical, life-giving powers. The nearby museum is filled with intricate sculptures and artifacts that prove just how sophisticated this forgotten metropolis really was. This place is a powerful reminder of an empire the world has almost completely forgotten. From one ancient capital to another, our number 9 spot takes us to Sonargaon, which literally means the Golden Village. And for centuries, it was exactly that. This was the legendary capital of Bengal, a city so wealthy it became a global powerhouse of trade, with connections stretching all the way to Europe and Arabia in the 14th century. So, what made it so rich? One word: muslin. Not the stuff you buy in a fabric store today. We're talking about a textile so fine and delicate it was known as woven air, the most coveted fabric on Earth. Sonargaon was the heart of its production. But its glory days faded when the Mughals moved the capital, and the city slowly fell into this beautiful, quiet decay. Today, exploring Sonargaon feels like walking through a dream. You can wander down Panam Nagar, a hauntingly beautiful street of crumbling 19th century mansions built by rich merchants, their grandeur still visible. Nearby, the Gowaldi Mosque, one of the oldest in the country, stands alone and serene in a field. Sonargaon is a ghost of its golden age, a place where you can almost hear the whispers of its past. At number 8, we've got a treasure so important it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, yet it's still way off the mainstream tourist radar. Welcome to the historic mosque city of Bagerhat, an incredible collection of Islamic architecture from the 15th century. This isn't just 1 or 2 buildings. It was an entire medieval city with around 360 mosques, tombs, and public buildings dotting the landscape. The star of the show is the magnificent 60-dome mosque, or Sheikh Gumbad. With its forest of interior columns and commanding presence, it's absolutely breathtaking. But the real magic of Bagerhat is just getting lost and exploring. You can stumble upon hidden gems like the 9-domed mosque, or find ancient tombs tucked away in the countryside. Thanks to recent restoration and new night lighting tours, the intricate terracotta art that makes this place so special is finally getting the spotlight it deserves. Bagerhat isn't just a collection of mosques. It's a perfectly preserved window into the spiritual and artistic peak of the Bengal Sultanate. Keeping with our theme of ancient wonders, our number 7 spot looks like it was ripped straight out of an adventure movie. This is Somapura Mahavihara, better known as Paharpur. Built back in the 8th century, this was one of the most famous Buddhist monasteries in the world, a legendary center for learning that drew scholars from all over Asia. Its central temple is this colossal terraced pyramid that once towered over the plains, and its size is still just staggering. But what really makes Paharpur special are the thousands of detailed terracotta plaques that cover its walls. Each one is a tiny masterpiece showing gods, animals, and scenes from everyday life. It's like a storybook from the 8th century written in clay. The visitor center has even been updated with tech that helps you visualize how this grand complex looked in its prime. Exploring Paharpur really feels like you're uncovering a lost world, a mountain of knowledge rising from the green fields of Bangladesh. All right. Leaving the ancient ruins behind, we're heading for the lush, rolling hills of our number 6 pick, Sreemangal, the tea capital of Bangladesh. This place is an endless sea of emerald green, with more than 150 tea gardens stretching as far as you can see. The air itself smells sweet with fresh tea leaves. You can spend your days touring the plantations, chatting with the workers, and, of course, sipping a perfect cup of 7-layer tea. But there's more to Sreemangal than just tea. It's also the gateway to Lawachara National Park, a protected rainforest that feels like a different planet compared to the country's bustling cities. This park is a hotspot for biodiversity, but it's most famous for being one of the last homes of the critically endangered hoolock gibbon. If you walk the trails early in the morning, you might get lucky and hear their unforgettable calls echoing through the trees. There's even a new canopy walkway that puts you right up in the heart of the jungle. Sreemangal is where perfectly manicured nature collides with the untamed wild. Okay, we're only halfway through the list, and we've already seen lost empires and pristine rainforests. If this side of Bangladesh is blowing your mind, and you want to see more hidden gems from around the world, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You really won't want to miss what's coming up next. Get ready to enter a world that feels like it came from a fantasy novel. For our number 5 spot, this is Ratargul, South Asia's only freshwater swamp forest, and it is one of the most surreal landscapes on the entire planet. People call it the Amazon of Bangladesh, but it's not a mangrove forest like the Sundarbans. This is a completely different ecosystem, where a forest of trees is permanently submerged in fresh, clear water. The only way to explore this magical place is by a small wooden boat. As you glide silently through the maze of water channels, the green canopy closes in above you, creating this quiet, otherworldly vibe. Sunlight filters through the leaves and dances on the water. The only sounds you'll hear are birds and the gentle splash of your paddle. It's a peaceful, immersive experience that honestly makes you feel like you've been transported somewhere else entirely. Ratargul is proof of just how diverse Bangladesh's landscapes are, and a true hidden gem for anyone looking for a bit of peace and enchantment. At number 4, we're exploring another one of Bangladesh's mind-bending aquatic worlds, Tanguar Haor. This isn't a river or a swamp. It's a gigantic wetland and a UNESCO-recognized site that completely transforms with the seasons. During the monsoon, it becomes a vast inland sea, with floating villages and submerged forests that create a landscape you have to see to believe. Tanguar Haor is a paradise for birdwatchers, especially in the winter when hundreds of species of migratory birds stop here. But the real experience is staying on a traditional houseboat, just drifting across the calm water as the sun goes down. You can visit the floating villages where life is completely woven around the water, and see a connection between people and nature that hasn't changed in centuries. As the morning mist rolls across the water at dawn, you'll understand why this place is considered one of Bangladesh's most beautiful and peaceful secrets. It's a world where the line between water and sky just blurs into one stunning watercolor painting. For our number 3 spot, we're heading for the clouds. The Chittagong hill tracts in the country's southeast are a world away from the flat river plains. This is a region of dramatic hills, misty valleys, and hidden waterfalls, and home to vibrant indigenous cultures. Two of the most jaw-dropping spots here are Bandarban and Sajek Valley. Bandarban is an adventurer's playground. You can trek to some of the country's highest peaks for panoramic views that will literally leave you speechless. You can take a boat trip on the winding Sangu River as it carves through dramatic cliffs, or visit remote tribal villages and experience their unique customs and incredible hospitality. A bit further north, Sajek Valley offers an experience people describe as walking on clouds. Because it's perched so high on a ridge, the valley below is often completely covered in a thick sea of clouds, with green hills poking through like islands. Watching the sunrise from here is something you will never, ever forget. This region is Bangladesh at its most rugged, remote, and breathtakingly beautiful. From the mountains, we're now traveling to our number 2 destination, a tiny slice of paradise in the Bay of Bengal, St. Martin's Island. Now, you may have heard of Cox's Bazar and its famous beach, but St. Martin's offers something else entirely, a true tropical island escape. You can only get here by boat, and this small coral island is blessed with crystal clear turquoise water, white sandy beaches, and coconut trees swaying in the sea breeze. Life just moves at a different pace here. There are no cars, so you can explore the entire island on foot or by bicycle. The main attraction is just the pure, unfiltered beauty of it all. You can go snorkeling to see the coral, watch fishermen haul in their daily catch, or just find a hammock and listen to the waves. And at night, with almost no light pollution, the sky just explodes with stars. St. Martin's Island feels like a world away from everything else, a secluded oasis that proves Bangladesh has beaches that can compete with any in Southeast Asia. And here we are, our number 1 spot, a place that is somehow both a world-famous icon and one of the wildest, least understood places on Earth. This is the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This mystical, maze-like world of tidal rivers, mudflats, and dense mangrove trees is the kingdom of the legendary Royal Bengal tiger. While many people know of the Sundarbans, very few actually take the journey deep into its heart. Exploring this wilderness by boat feels like you're navigating the arteries of the planet itself. Every rustle in the trees, every splash in the water, fills you with anticipation. Could that be a majestic tiger on the riverbank? But here's the secret. Even if you don't see a tiger, the Sundarbans are magical. You'll see spotted deer, crocodiles, and a mind-boggling number of exotic birds. New eco-lodges are finally making it possible to have a more responsible and immersive visit, supporting the local communities that call this wild place home. The Sundarbans isn't just a forest. It's a primal force of nature, and the ultimate testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Bangladesh. So, there you have it. From cities over 2,000 years old to freshwater swamp forests, from cloud-covered valleys to the world's largest mangrove jungle, Bangladesh is a land of staggering diversity and profound beauty. These 10 places are just the beginning. They're a challenge to the well-worn tourist trails of South Asia, and they prove that sometimes the greatest secrets really are hiding in plain sight. This is a country that doesn't just show you new things, it shows you a new way of seeing the world. It's a place for the curious, for the adventurous, for anyone who still believes the best travel experiences are found far, far away from the crowds. Bangladesh isn't just waiting to be explored, it's waiting to leave you completely and utterly speechless. So, which of these jaw-dropping places would you visit first? Did we miss any of your favorite hidden gems in Bangladesh? Let us know down in the comments. And for more adventures to the world's most unbelievable destinations, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. Our next neat place to visit is Bhutan. Are you ready to go?